Federation Chamber of Commerce said that the expensive power purchase contracts with the independent power procedures (IPPs) are not acceptable to the industries, and the industries cannot operate in such a high tariffs. Vice President of FCCP Kurutalan among SN Panir and Ijaz Gohar said that the cheap sources of electricity should be explored and the market should also brought down. Furthermore, the government could get energy audit of the power sector and IPP conducted from international reliable firm. They claim that there are some IPPs which are not being operated, but government is paying them huge amount. These IPPs have invested only 50 billion rupees while getting 400 billion rupees from the government. The government has been transferring IPPs payment burden to public. Kurutalan said that some plants did not supply any unit during January to March, but the government is paying thousands of rupees to them every month. She said the electricity is so expensive that the power bills are unaffordable now. The government have to pay the capacity charges to IPPs due to wrong contracts. The electricity prices are the biggest problem in Pakistan right now. They said that the government is drawing rupees 2000 billion from public pockets in form of capacity charges annually. Due to high electricity target, 25% of the industries have been closed. She further said that in 2015, an average of 13,000 MW electricity was being used, and with a capacity of 2,000 MW, the capacity charges were 2,000 billion. In 2024, the power consumption is still 13,000 MW, while the capacity is 43,400 MW, and the government is paying them 2,000 billion rupees to IPPs in capacity charges. They said that the IPP are either not supplying or partially supplying against the huge capacity charges. The industry could not operate in such scenario.